Hey guys, Dirk again. Check out this evil lyden jar. I gotta put oil in it, do some more insulation, but it's pretty wicked with a little variable power supply here. Check it out. Oh shit, I gotta plug it in. Ugh. Well, safety first, right? Yeah. Alright, sorry about that. Sucker's loud, eh? Alright, enough of that. It's a little bit later. I don't want to piss off my neighbors. Yeah, just wanted to share that with you guys real quick. The evil lyden jar. I'm a fucking nut. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Cheers all.